So the next thing I'm going to do is bring bags of cement mix around here, water mix. I'm going to fill the holes up with them, and I'm going to go from there. That'll be a little bit labor intensive, but I can handle it. I thought about, I put that trailer ball on here, which is fine for getting the boat out, but then I can't hook my little lawnmower trailer to it because it don't have a trailer ball like that. But I think for the no more than I'm doing, I'm just using 40-pound bags. So I think I'll just use this little cart, bring them around here, one bag at a time, pour them in. I always like to go around and eyeball everything, make sure it looks straight. These poles will be subject to be, adjusted a little as we go. It's kind of like when we did Josh's porch. We had to kind of make some final adjustments. I'll also go ahead and recheck my corners over here before I put this in. And I'm not so much thinking about this corner because this corner is the side we've been walking around. I'm thinking about the other corner up here, which is after this, it'll be time for breakfast or something. This is a good day. So I got a couple things in the works today. Besides this, I wanted to get this done because I wanted them legs to have time to set up. I took this one brace down because the end of it was sticking down in the edge of the hole, and I didn't want it to create a path for water to run down in the post hole, so that's why I moved it. I checked that corner, it's still straight enough. So what I'm going to do is just let the water hose sit and run into each hole for a while. I'm going to go and I want to make a kind of a short, succinct, but interesting video about the store where Honey Baby's got her stuff for sale. It is kind of an awesome place. And it's a place that I'm willing to bet hardly anybody knows exists. It's kind of in an alley in an old cotton storage warehouse in the middle of town. And there's nothing in there that you can buy in China. Well, that may not be true because there might be some things that people use as pieces and parts. But just about everything in there is handmade, hand-decorated, really nice stuff. So I'm going to go in the house and work on that. I've still got Butch's carburetor to fix, but I figured the longer it soaks, the better. And I need to go over to Butch's house and download some program stuff because I've got a printer that won't print because it needs a program, and I can't get the program because I don't have the internet. So I figured I'd do that over at his house. But enough talking about it. I'm going to put the tools away. They said it was going to rain today, but well, sure ain't showing no signs of it. But I'm going to go put the tools away and then go in the house and do that video thing I was telling you about. And y'all get to see it when I get done. Oh, the joy.